Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and right now I will be watching the trailer of an upcoming Tamil film. Now this is written and directed by Dhanush. It also stars in it along with Nitya Menon. Music is given by G.V. Prakash Kumar. So yes, this movie is called Idli Kadai. Idli Kadai. Very interesting title. So let's not delay this any further. Let's watch this trailer right away.
எப்படி இருக்குது பாருங்க.
எப்பா எப்படியாச்சும் வாங்கலாம்ப்பா. மணிக்கணக்கா உட்காந்து அரைக்க தேவையில்லைல்ல.
Okay.
ஆட்டுக்குட்டிக்கு ஒரு ஆட்டு. மிஷினால என்ன வேணாலும் செய்யலாம். ஆனா கை பக்குவம் வரணும்ல.
Okay.
அது மனசுல இருந்து வரணும்.
பொதுவா லைஃப்ல நம்ம பண்ற வேலையை ரசிச்சு பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுக்கு பெரிய பிசினஸ் மேனா இருக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. வெறும் இட்லி சுடுறதா கூட இருக்கலாம்.
முழுக்க நம்ம கம்பெனிக்கு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் 15% ப்ராஃபிட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு.
சூப்பர்யா, சரியான வேலைக்காரையா நீ.
நமக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த வீடும் நம்ம கடையும் அப்படியே போயிடுமோன்னு.
அவன் எங்க
This
போறான்?
seems so heartfelt.
இங்க தான் திரும்பி வர போறான். இங்க தான் திரும்பி வர போறான்.
கலிக்கங்க.
ஏப்பா முருகா, அந்த பொண்ணு கயல் யாரு? மும்பிட்டு வேலை செய்து
ఒక్కాలి కొమట్లో కుట్టినానా? You are the best.
நான் உனக்காக ஒரு பெரிய எம்பையரே கட்டி வச்சிருக்கேன். இப்படி பொறுப்பு இல்லாம சுத்திக்கிட்டு இருந்தா எப்படி? Look at முருகன்.
பெரிய மிஷிலின் ஸ்டார் ரெஸ்டாரண்ட், ஒரு டப்பா குடிசைக்கு.
Okay.
அது வெறும் கடையில தம்பி, இந்த ஊரோட அடையாளம்.
Going back to the roots. Yes, I love such stories.
ஊருக்கு பெரிய சென்டிமெண்ட் சார்.
அவனை முழுசா அழிக்காம நான் இங்க வர மாட்டேன்.
வேண்டாயா, கணா பெறாத அவங்க அப்பனோட இட்லி கிடைக்காது. அவன் சாகிறதுக்கு ரெடியா இருக்கா.
Okay.
ஆத்தி இட்லி சுடுறதுன்னா அவ்வளோ இஷ்டமா?
நான் என்னவோ இட்லி சுட தான் பிறந்த மாதிரியே எனக்குள்ள ஒரு நினைப்பு.
First October. I just feel this was so heartfelt. Like it's such a rooted story, but I feel the message is going to be so universal because it's about doing what you really passionately believe in, even if it's a very small thing. But let me stop this first. I loved it. It was so beautiful. You know, when all these larger than life movies are such a norm nowadays, and especially for Tamil cinema, I would say specifically that I have been particularly excited about all the big budgeted, larger than life films, and they have disappointed me eventually. But the films which have been made in a limited budget, which are more heartfelt, more rooted stories, written with a lot of sincerity, directed with a lot of sincerity and emotion, have worked wonders. I mean, just take Tourist Family for an example, right? And this is exactly that. This movie is giving me exactly those feels, that it doesn't need to be a larger than life story. It doesn't need to be. It can just be about this. A man who, a boy growing up watching his father so passionately make idlis and probably had a small shop, and then the son actually finding success outside, but something pulls him back to his home, to his village, and he's like, this is more important. Finding that arc where you're like, no, money is not everything. Yes, I had everything. I could have become this big, successful, Michelin star restaurant head or whatever, But no, I will return back, and that shop holds more value to me. Like a movie about emotions, about values. It just felt so nice to watch this trailer. It made me happy, and it's just beautiful. That's the one thing which came in my mind. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful, heartfelt. And I know that if this is written well and directed well by Dhanush, then it is going to work wonders. Because I was completely connected when I was watching this trailer. Emotionally, I was connected to it, and it put a smile on my face. So I think this really could work and could emerge as a very, very big box office success as well. And this is the kind of film that, you know, take your entire family, friends, and just go together, have a great time. Yeah, just come out of the theater with a big smile on your face. And I think people are really, once again, from action, resonating back to such movies more and more. Because there has been a significant gap in, you know, filmmakers giving people family movies, that now, you know, romance, everything which has to do with emotion except anger and violence, I feel people are now flocking to the theaters to watch such movies, and people have started craving these movies even more. So for me, I see this as a win, and I'm really hoping that this works in the box office and this turns out to be like a really well written and directed film. So yes, my verdict definitely is towards the positive side after watching this trailer, but I definitely want to know your thoughts. This was my reaction to Idli Kadhai, and yeah, I'm gonna sign off now. Good luck to the makers of this film, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.